What documents are needed for student loan applications? Breaking news for students and families. The question on everyone's mind right now is, what documents are needed for student loan applications? As the school year approaches, many are searching for clarity on this important topic. Knowing what you need can make the application process smoother and less stressful. When applying for a student loan, you will typically need to gather several key documents. First, identity proof is essential. This can be a government-issued identification such as a passport, driver's license, or national identification card. Next, you will need to provide proof of your current address. This can be in the form of utility bills, rental agreements, or any official correspondence that confirms where you live. An admission letter from your educational institution is also required. This letter confirms that you have been accepted into a program. Academic records are another important part of the application process. Transcripts or certificates showing your previous education and qualifications will be necessary. If your institution requires standardized tests, you will need to submit your entrance test scores as well. Don't forget to complete the official loan application form provided by your lender or loan program. If you have a co-applicant, often a parent or guardian, their documents will also be needed. This includes their identity proof, address proof, and income documents. Income proof is crucial too. You may need to submit recent salary slips, tax returns, or bank statements to show financial capacity. For federal aid applications in the United States, prior year tax returns are necessary to assess eligibility. Additionally, if you have any untaxed income, such as child support or interest income, you will need to provide documentation for that as well. Lastly, be ready to share information about your assets, including checking and savings accounts, investments, and any property you own aside from your primary residence. For federal student aid, completing the free application for federal student aid is a must. This process requires a federal student aid identification for signing and allows you to transfer tax data directly from the Internal Revenue Service. After you submit the application, you will receive a student aid report summarizing your eligibility and aid options. In some cases, additional documentation may be requested by your school for verification. It is important to check with your lender or financial aid office for their specific document checklist. Preparing these documents ahead of time can help streamline your application and improve your chances of timely approval. Always verify the exact requirements of the loan program or lender you are applying to, as they can vary.